Today I'm gonna get a shot and get blood taken. Okay? Okay.
And what do you have to say about that?
She's gonna shot her butt.
All right, here you go. Prescriptions and forms. And you need to go to the lab, get some blood drawn too.
Can we
You
go?
gonna giggle through this?
Can we go?
You gonna take a picture?
All right, bend over.
No!
Let it go in your arm. You're a big girl, we can put it in your arm. Okay.
Okay.
How's your mom?
She's great.
Good. Tell her I said hello.
Okay.
Which arm?
None.
This is for you to proceed on through school, right?
No, no,
Now
no.
look at me.
Yeah, don't look at it.
Happy, happy, jolly, jolly.
It's gonna hurt.
No, it's not gonna hurt.
No.
Don't. Come on now.
Can't flinch. You got the.
Be
Just
happy.
be still. That's right.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, that's it.
That hurt.
And your sister got all of that on camera.
Be happy.
It's gonna be on YouTube now. All right, you're all set.
All right.
Let
thank you.
us see the
So
band-aid.
she doesn't have to blood yet? That's
She
in the
does
lab.
need to do blood work. I'll show you how to get to the lab, okay?
Righty.
Ouch.
And you have both of those, their checkout sheets,
Yes.
both forms? Okay. You go to the end of this hall, take a right, just before you go out